Shiba Inu is about to test a key level of strength. Shiba Inu is a type of dog. The meme-based cryptocurrency that has taken the world by storm is at a crucial point right now. Based on the most recent information, SHIB is trading at 804 and is about to hit a key resistance level that could determine its short-term future. I'm Kai Cho, and I help teach people about money, investment, and personal finance. If you want to improve your financial future, make sure to subscribe to the station and hit the like button if this video was helpful. SHIB's current price is important because it is a key resistance point that has been both a support and a barrier in the past. A close look at the price chart shows that this level has been tried more than once, and a clear move above or below it could show where the next trend for SHIB will go. If SHIB can break above this level of resistance with a lot of volume, it could start a new wave up. Traders and consumers might see this as a sign of strength, which would make them more likely to buy. The recent highs are the next level of support to keep an eye on. On the other hand, if SHIB can't break above this level and gets turned down, it could cause an even bigger drop. The urge to sell could get stronger, sending the price down to the next levels of support. This could be a danger sign for people who own SHIB because it could mean that the downward trend will continue. Shibarium, a fresh look dogs can be changed, even though sales are going up. Change milestone. Shiba Inu's team gives the Shibarium testnet a new dog skin, getting people around easier. A lot of growth in just 3 days. 7 million new wallets were added to PuppyNet, which is a huge increase. A look at how dog skins makeover works. Shiba Inu's development ensemble just showed off a beautiful new version of the puppy skin, a block explorer made for the PuppyNet test network on Shibarium. The whole point of this makeover is to improve the user experience. For those who don't know, a block explorer is a search engine that lets users look at blocks, addresses, and events on the blockchain. When it comes to baby scan, it only works on the Shibarium testnet. Lucy, a Shiba Inu marketing expert, brought this change to the attention of the crypto community. This made people even more excited for the upcoming public release of the Shibarium main. The testnet gave us some great numbers. Even though the Shibarium net was turned off temporarily so that more improvements could be made, the numbers for the PuppyNet have gone through the roof. Both the increase in wallet addresses and the increase in the number of transactions show that more and more people are interested in the Shiba Inu project. To give you a better idea, PuppyNet is happy to host 17 million wallets as of right now. This is not just a number, it shows how quickly it has grown. Since the number was around 10.4 million just 3 days ago, this means that nearly 7 million wallets have been added in a short amount of time. Also, the number of deals on the testnet has reached an all-time high, reaching a whopping 36,787,365. In terms of how it works, the average block time, which is how long it takes to add a new block or set of data to the blockchain, is a quick 6.8 seconds, and there are now more than 2.2 million blocks on the network. The community's growing impatience and excitement about the Shibarium monet's move from its current private state to a more public one is clear from the amount of time people spend on PuppyNet. And now that Bone tokens, which are part of the Shiba Inu community, are starting to show up in people's wallets, many people think that Shibarium's public comeback could be just around the corner. Shiba Inu shows off the element Shibarium. The next goal for SHIB price is a public release date of 1. The element Shibarium. Developers of Shiba Inu's Layer 2 answer haven't been able to raise SHIB prices yet, which is making the market even more nervous. Exploring the occurrence of the Death Cross Shiba Inu was inspired by the meme culture when it was created. It quickly gained a large group of fans and now competes with other meme coins, like Dogecoin. But in the world of cryptocurrency trade, it's not the excitement of the community that's getting people's attention right now. Instead, it's a technical indicator called the death cross. When a coin's short-term moving average falls below its long-term moving average, this is called a death cross. A sharp drop in the market is often signaled by this kind of trend. In the case of Shiba Inu, this happened when the 50-period moving average dropped below the 200-period moving average, MA. But it's important to know what's going on. Even though these signs are scary, they can sometimes be too late. That means that a lot of the selling may have happened before this trend became clear. SHIB is selling at a small fraction of what it was worth at its highest point in 2021. Its value has dropped a lot in recent months. Different market experts have different ideas about what this death cross means. Some people think the coin will go down for a longer time, while others say not to put too much weight on this one side. SHIB continues to trade around the 8,000 mark. The next move of the market, and whether or not it will be affected by this worrisome pattern, is still being written. Shibarium has a lot of potential, but its price hasn't caught up to that yet. Even though Shiba Inu has technical problems, the team behind it is still very busy, as shown by the release of Shibarium. This Layer 2 scaling approach was hailed as a game changer that would speed up transactions and cut down on fees that were too high. Still, since it first appeared on the mainnet, Shibarium has become very popular on SHIB, but its value is still hard to notice. Innovation is the main idea behind blockchain and, by default, cryptocurrencies. When they showed off Shibarium, the people who worked on Shiba Inu tried to capture this spirit. But technological advances don't always lead to instant gains in the market. Since the cryptocurrency market is so volatile and hard to predict, only time will tell if Shibarium aids will rebound or if other market forces will have a bigger impact on its path. As Shibarium gets ready to open to the public, Shiba Inu Dev makes some important clarifications. Caldera, the company that made Shiba Inu, has given important details as the much-anticipated Shibarium gets ready to open again. Recent news reports say that Shibarium is going smoothly in private mode and is just waiting for its public launch. Make Things Clear Explorer of Shibarium clarification call made it clear that the fact that the Shibarium Explorer Shibarium skin is available does not change how the Shibarium network itself works. Even though Shibarium Check isn't available, the network is still working. Carl said that Shibarium can use a version of Block Scout that is open source and needs a lot of computer resources. There are plans to set up an online version of Shibarium Scan as soon as possible. The developer asked the Shiba Inu group to not worry about this temporary situation any more than they needed to. Expectations and connections are growing. People are eagerly waiting for an official word about when Shibarium will be available to the public. Shibarium tokens can already be traded on the popular decentralized finance app Techstyles. Thanks for coming to watch. Remember to like the movie and follow my channel. We'll talk again in the next film.